Hi you guys, how are you doing? I want to show you a system I've been using for years. It's my brilliant system that makes things like paperwork and cleaning the house fun, okay? So I use my trusty little bowl, you see that? And I've got all kinds of numbers in there, okay? These numbers are 1 to 18, okay? And then what I do is I'll make a list of all my jobs. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's kind of hard to get it. Okay, well anyway, I'll have my little notebook or my planner. And right now it says number 1, tidy living room. Number 2, clean main bathroom. Number 3, clean upstairs bath. Number 4, dust. Number 5, mop kitchen. So I'll have a whole list of jobs, okay? Up to 18 or so, because that's how many numbers I have in here. But they'll just be little jobs. Like I wouldn't have cleaned the garage on this list. That'd be way too big of a job. Okay, and then what I do is I'll go here and I'll draw my number. Oh, number 14. Then I look at my little list and see, okay, what job is number 14? And I'll do that job. Okay, so the fun thing about this system is even though the jobs themselves aren't fun, it's kind of fun to see what job you get. And the other thing is when I see a whole list like this looks so overwhelming that I don't want to do it. I just can't even make myself do it. But the beauty of the little number system is you look at your number, you're only looking at that little job, okay? So all I see is whatever is in the number 14 position. I go off and do my job, and then my rule is between every job, if I want, I can do 5 puzzle pieces. So I almost always have a puzzle going. See that table behind me? I usually have a puzzle there, and actually, guys, I usually have a puzzle on the downstairs dining room table too. So I usually have 2 puzzles going. My work puzzle up here and then my regular life puzzle downstairs. And so I'll do my little 5 puzzle pieces, but often I won't even do them because what happens is I'll do my job and then I'm kind of excited to see what the next job is. And so I pull out my little number and I look at my list and I think, well, I guess I could do that job too. And I do that little job. This also works incredible for paperwork. Okay, so I try and have this habit. This is something I've been really working on. I'm starting to get a handle on it. Of whenever the mail comes in, I just process it right away that day. But sometimes the mail, it'll get behind, right? Might go on a trip and I come home and there's tons of mail, or I might just be really busy with a deadline and I won't get my mail done. So I'll have a big stack of mail and I'll put it on my floor in my office. You know, back when we had all the kids in the house, this was our bedroom, but now it's my office because we're empty nesters and we actually have room in our house, which is exciting. So anyway, I'll put the paperwork all over the floor and I'll put it in piles. So I'll like have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll start a new row, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each pile will only have like a couple of things in it. No more than 5. So basically, I'm not going to pay any attention to what I put in it. I'm just going to start putting things down. But the idea is we don't want to have any piles that are hard to do. So each pile shouldn't take that long to do, like just a few minutes or so, maybe 5 minutes. And then you know what the piles are. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because they're in rows. And I'll do my little system again. So I'll draw my little number out. And if it says number 19, I'll go to my little piles. Oh, I forgot I told you guys I only have 18 numbers in there, but I had so much work the other day that I put in extra little slips of paper up to 22, but normally I only have 18. So anyway, I'll look at my number, and then I'll go to my pile of paperwork, grab that little pile, bring it up to my desk and do it, and then draw another number. So I can get way more paperwork accomplished that way, way more regular, boring jobs accomplished that day. I only use it on days when the jobs are all equal, okay? So like usually cleaning the house or paperwork. Because if I really have to get something done that day, like maybe I have to get something done for writing and I put that as one of these little numbers, if that thing I really had to get done ended up being the last number I drew out or maybe even midway through, I probably wouldn't have the energy and gumption anymore to get it done. You try and always do those jobs that are super hard first thing in the morning or the first thing in the day whenever your high energy is. But anyway, try the system. I love it. I actually bought this cute little pottery bowl. I always have my little numbers in them so I don't make all the numbers. When I first started, I actually used to put little jobs in there. In fact, actually, when I only had one kid left at home and all the other kids already gone off to college and work, we did this with cleaning. So I would have all the house cleaning jobs in, and then we do our house cleaning together, and we just go in and draw our little job, and we put it down on the desk when we were done with it, and go to the next one. So it's also a way you can do that, like with the kids. So if you have kids at home, you could just have all the jobs to clean the house in there, and you could use it for drawing that. So anyway, just a way to make work fun, and I hope you guys give it a try. Talk to you later.